Welcome to the heart of the hotel, the front desk. It's a place where dreams and adventures begin, where travelers find solace and comfort, and where every day brings new challenges and opportunities. Behind this desk lies a world of responsibility, a constant balancing act between meeting guest needs and managing the complexities of hotel operations. Join us as we delve into the world of front desk operations, where hospitality meets challenge and where every interaction is an opportunity to create a memorable experience for every guest.
What? Overbooked? I've traveled along the way, and now I have nowhere to stay.
This is quite disappointing. I had specifically requested the opportunity to speak.
I don't even have my toiletries and even a change of clothes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I have a reservation. My confirmation number is 123456. I arrived and was told there's no room available.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Pretty Hotel. I apologize for the delay. Please let me check your reservation.
No problem.
I do see your reservation here. I am very sorry, but it seems you've experienced an unforeseen booking today. I understand you're extremely frustrating and I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. Please have a seat and let's find a solution together.
What? Overbooked? I've traveled along the way, and now I have nowhere to stay.
I understand your frustration completely, and I truly regret the situation. Please accept my sincerest apologies. Before we explore options, may I offer you a complimentary beverage? Perhaps some water, juice, or coffee while I work on resolving this?
Thank you. Water would be fine.
Please give me a moment, sir. Here's your water, sir.
Thank you.
While you're enjoying that, I am contacting nearby hotels to see if they have vacancies. I also speak to my manager to ensure we handle this efficiently. We want to make sure you're comfortable and taken care of. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have secured a room for you at the Prince Hotel, a very reputable establishment, just a short taxi ride away. They have a lovely room available and well-arranged transportation and cover all costs. Of course, we also provide a complimentary breakfast and personally ensure a smooth transfer.
That sounds acceptable, but I do expect some compensation for this disruption.
Absolutely. In addition to covering the cost of the room, taxi, and breakfast, we'd like to offer you a complimentary upgrade to a suite on your next stay with us, along with a substantial discount. We value your business and deeply regret this error. We want to ensure your next experience with us is exceptional.
Thank you for your professionalism and assistance.
Here are your taxi voucher and details of your compensation. Please let me know if you need anything further. Once again, I sincerely apologize for this unforeseen circumstance. We hope you'll give us another opportunity to demonstrate our commitment to guest satisfaction.
Thank you for your professionalism and assistance.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant evening. Have a pleasant morning. Please don't hesitate to contact me or the hotel if you require anything else.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, Mr. John. Welcome back to Pahete Hotel. We are so delighted to have you with us again. May I see your confirmation, please?
Here, sir.
I do see your reservation here for the presidential suite. I am very sorry, but due to an unforeseen and regrettable circumstances, there's been an issue with the suite's availability tonight. I understand this is far from ideal, especially given to your past stays with us. Please accept our sincerest apologies.
This is quite disappointing. I had specifically requested the presidential suite.
I understand completely, sir. Please allow me to offer you a complimentary glass of champagne while I explore the solutions.
Okay.
We want to make this right.
Thank you, sir.
Me, Mr. John. I've spoken with my manager, and while we cannot offer the presidential suite tonight, we'd like to offer you our most luxurious alternative, the standard room. It's a beautiful room with a king-size bed, a large flat-screen TV with premium channels, complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, and a luxurious bathroom with a rainfall shower head and premium toiletries, and a comfortable sitting area. It's not quite the presidential suite, but we'll hope you'll find it comfortable and luxurious.
Well,
In addition to the upgrade to the standard room, we'd like to offer you a complimentary dinner at our finest restaurant. Upgrade of the standard room, we'd like to offer you a complimentary dinner at our finest restaurant called Cup Restaurant, along with the spa treatment of your choice, and a significant discount on your next stay with us. We deeply regret this inconvenience and want to ensure you have a truly memorable stay, despite this unexpected issue.
that's acceptable. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter.
You are very welcome, Mr. John. Your comfort and satisfaction are our utmost priority. I personally ensure your luggage is transferred to your new room promptly and efficiently. Please let me know if you require anything else and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Paris Hotel. I understand you may be experiencing some difficulty. Please tell me what I can assist you with.
My luggage, it's lost. The airline lost it. I have nothing and I'm very upset.
I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience you're experiencing. Losing your luggage is certainly disruptive, and I understand your frustration. Please have a seat. Let's address this efficiently and ensure your comfort during your stay.
I don't even have my toiletries and even a change of clothes.
I understand. We will take care of this. We have a supply of complimentary toiletries and other essentials that we can provide immediately. We also have robes and slippers for your comfort. Let's begin by contacting the airline to obtain the track information for your luggage. Excuse me, ma'am. I have contacted the airline and obtained the tracking number for your luggage. It's 12345. I've also contacted our research department to explore additional options for assisting you. While we await updates on your luggage's location, we'll provide you with the necessary amenities to ensure your comfort. Is there anything else you require at this time?
No, thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome, ma'am. We'll provide regular updates on the status of your luggage. If there's anything else you need, please don't hesitate to ask. Good morning, ma'am. I'm pleased to inform you that your luggage has arrived and has been delivered to your room. Please let us know if there's anything further we can assist you with.
Thank you so much, Mom.
It was our pleasure to assist you. We hope you enjoy the remainder of your stay at Bed Hotel.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your work and help.
It's our pleasure, ma'am.